Pahiram po ng 20 minutes ng inyong hapon. Ako po si Boy, and welcome to... Please welcome Miss Sandy Angelo. Maraming salamat, Sandy. Thank you.
When I was 17, after graduating from high school, sabi ng mother ko, why don't you stay? Kasi nag-graduate ako ng senior high sa States. Sabi niya, why don't you stay and study? Sabi ko, why? Basta, stay there. Kasi at that time, I found out, yung mga pinsang kong kaedad ko were marrying already or getting pregnant. So I said, you know, Ma, I want to be an actor.
Wow.
Sabi niya, okay, then we'll find a school. You want to go to New York and be with your ate? Sabi ko, yes. Sabi ko, gusto mo mag-artista talaga. Kasi bata pa ako, na-expose na ako sa mga films. My mom loves watching films eh. So ako lagi ang pinipin niya.
Okay.
And I thought of it, and then when the films that I've seen, sabi ko, wow, it's a different world. And then you portray someone else. During our younger days, it was a bit difficult, probably. No, we had to go through a lot of trials together. And at that time, syempre, bata pa kami. It was pretty hard at first, but later on, especially nung dumami yung mga anak namin. So I left Christopher, I left the house. I went to a convent and stayed for a week, praying, asking God for direction. And at that time, nagulat si Christopher because he came from work, pag-uwi niya, wala na ako. So, that was the time, that was a turning point in our lives wherein he decided na rin to surrender his life to Jesus, to God. Nag-LSS kami together because he kept telling me, no, I want this to work. I don't want to lose you. I don't want to lose the boys. I want to have complete family. Kasi he comes from a broken family and I came from a broken family. I had an absentee father at the time.
But we'll take it from the movie Moral. Chang Susan.
5, 4, 3, 2, action!
Miss Sylvia, pinatawag kita dahil I have to tell you, there are certain things na maraming napupuna ang mga co-teachers natin. Unang-una na sa klase ng buhay, the way you live your life, I would think is so immoral. Like,
wala akong pakialam.
Ay, hindi pwedeng wala akong pakialam.
Wala akong pakialam. Wala akong pakialam sa mga sinasabi lang. Naiingit lang sila.
Una sa lahat, yung pagsigarilyo mo at yung pagiging single mother mo.
Naiingit lang sila sa akin.
At saka,
naiingit ka lang sa akin, ma'am.
Ako naiingit sa'yo?
Oo naman.
At saka,
obvious, ma'am.
bakit itim ang suot mo? Pati ako itim? At yung hindi mo...
Sandy, sand or water?
Water.
Noon, ngayon.
Ngayon.
Moral, immoral.
Moral.
Your most prized possession.
My family.
Your most treasured award.
Mamas.
Sexiest part of Boyet's body.
Sexiest part. His whole body.
Boyet sa umaga o Boyet sa gabi?
Sa gabi.
Lights on or lights off?
Lights off.
Happiness or chocolates?
Happiness.
Best time for happiness?
Anytime.
Your mantra in life?
My mantra in life? Always be kind. Always be generous. Always be... have empathy.
Ganda.
Gusto ko malaman anong isang bagay na pinaka-isang bagay that makes him happy. I had a wonderful time. Napakasarap mag-interview ni Mr. Boy Abunda. I had a nice time.
Tawad